Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Now with pumpkin season well upon us, what better way to kick it off with some pumpkin spice pancakes. Into a bowl we're going to sift in the flour, to the second cup we're going to add in the baking powder, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. And just sift them all together. Next, we're going to add in the pumpkin puree, the vanilla, the maple syrup, and the milk. Add 1 cup in at a time and mix through. Once you have your desired consistency, just set it to one side for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then to a pan on medium to low heat that's been greased, we're just going to spoon in our mixture. I typically add about half a cup. Once bubbles start to appear on the top of the pancake and you can easily glide your spatula in underneath, it's time to flip it over. You should only need to cook each side for a couple of minutes. Then simply repeat until they're all done. Now what I like to do for some of the mixture is add in some non-dairy chocolate chips, adding in as many as you like and simply mixing them through. Now how you like to top them off is completely up to you. I like to add on a little dash of butter and then a drizzle of some maple syrup. And then breakfast is served. Yummo! Now they're sweet but not overly sweet. This is that perfect combination of pumpkin and spice, perfect for breakfast or even dessert. So I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching guys, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!